Welcome guys. This video is Leetcode solving for 1408 string matching in an array. So given an array of string words, return all string words which are substring of another word in any order. So words I is a substring or word A if can be obtained removing some left or right side. So MS is so S is the substring of mass. Hero is a substring of superhero. So these two. And also ET. ET is the substring of this. ET code is also Leetcode. Okay, so it's very easy. We can just write a code, right? So suppose you have a list, right? So we just check pairwisely. Okay, so for element, this list called L. So for element in L, then we can for like another element E tilde in L, which E tilde is not the same E, and then check whether E is substring of E tilde. So in Python, we just ask about whether E in L, E in tilde. If it is, then suppose this is answer, right? We get the answer. Okay, so we just use answer append. So now E is a substring of E, right? E tilde. So we just append E, And finally, we just remove the the same element. Okay, that's it. Okay, so length is words, and answer is append empty list, and then for I range n. If I is not the same as A, that means it's not the same element. Then words A, if words A in words A, and the words A in not in answer, so that means that this answer this is not repeated. Then you just append it. Yeah. So we just pairwise compute, and the return answer. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.